Good morning, students. Today we are going to take properties of determinants. So, student, first property, the value of determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Okay, students. A equal to Aij be a square matrix of order n. Then determinant of A equals to determinant of A transpose. Students, we know that if we interchange the rows and column, then it is called transpose of matrix. Okay, so that's why it is written here determinant of A equals to determinant of A transpose. Correct, students? Let us take one example, student. You can see this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So let us find out its determinant by any method. So I am going to expand it along R1. So 3, we have to delete rows and columns. Let us multiply minus 2, minus 1. Then minus 2 will come. Why minus has come? Because it is A12 student. Odd number, that's why. Now minus 2, column and rows will be related. 1, 0, 1, minus 1. Let us multiply minus 1, minus 0, then plus 4 because it is A13, that's why plus sign is there. Delete its column and rows, students. 1 minus 0. So let us do calculation. 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4, 1. So let us multiply minus 9 minus 2 plus 4. Minus 11 plus 4 minus 7. You can see the determinant of the matrix is minus 7. Now students, I am going to find out its transpose. Correct? So in transpose we can change rows into columns. So first row becomes first column here, student. Second row 1 to 1 becomes second column. Third row becomes third column, student. Now let us find out its transpose. Determinant of the transpose. So 3 columns and rows deleted, minus 2, minus 1, then it is A12, that's why we have to put minus sign, minus 1, delete its column and rows, multiply 2, minus 4, plus 0, delete its rows and columns, minus 2, minus 8, 3 multiply by minus 3, minus 1 multiply by minus 2, plus 0, minus 9 plus 2, minus 7. So student, you can see here the value of determinant and the value of transpose of determinant, both are same. Okay, so that's why we can write determinant of a square matrix equals to determinant of transpose of the square matrix. So this is first property, student. Okay, now property number 2. Students, if two rows or columns of a determinant order n greater than 2 are interchanged, then the value of determinant changes in sign, means becomes negative. If determinant is positive, then it will become negative, student. Okay, if we interchange two rows or two columns, rows not by column, rows by rows and column by column, then the value of determinant becomes negative, means sign changes. Let us take the above example, student. This example, you have seen the determinant of matrix A is minus 7. Now students, I am going to interchange R1 and R2. R1 interchange with R2 student. So student, you can see this is R1, this is R2. So at the place of R1 I will write 1 to 1, and at the place of R2 3 minus 2 or 4. Okay. 1 to 1, 3 minus 2 and 4. So this determinant becomes negative, students, you can see. So let us find out this determinant now. Determinant of A, minus sign as it is, and by same method 1 rows and column deleted, 2 minus 4 minus 2 columns and rows deleted, minus 3 minus 0 plus 1 rows column deleted, 3 minus 0. So this minus sign will as it is, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 1 into 3, minus 2 plus 6 plus 3. So 9 minus 2 plus 7, outside minus, so becomes minus 7. So students, if I will not put minus here, then answer is plus 7. Means sign changes. Earlier the determinant minus 7, now the determinant plus 7. I have put minus sign to show you that determinants will become negative. Its sign will be changed. Similarly students, if we interchange two columns, then also sign change. Now students, suppose now I am going to interchange R2 and R3. So then again its sign change. It will become now positive. Okay students. So now remember, when we interchange two rows or two columns, then the sign of determinant will be changed. Okay. Now next property students, property 3. If any two rows or columns of a determinant order greater than or equal to 2 are identical, then its value is 0. Two rows or two columns are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. Let us take one example, student. A equal to 3 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 4, 1 2 1. You can see students, R1 and R2 are identical. The same values are there, students, you can see. So its determinant will be 0. Okay students, let us find out its determinant. 3, I am expanding it along R1, 3 rows and column deleted, minus 2 minus 8. Then it is at the place of A12, that's why minus sign is there, minus minus 2 rows and column deleted, 3 minus 4 plus, because it is at the place of A13, that is the plus sign is there, 4 deleted 6 plus 2. Let us do calculation students. 3 into minus 10 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into 8 minus 13 minus 2 plus 32. So plus 32 and minus 32, 0. So you have seen that if two rows are identical, means same, then its determinant is 0. Let us take one more example students. You can see here two columns are identical. A equals to xyz 1 2 1. So you can see C1 column 1 and C2 columns 2, both are identical, same. So its determinant is 0. Let us calculate its determinant students. I am expanding it along R1. X column and rows deleted, y minus 2z, then minus x, because it is at the place of a12, that's why minus sign is here, minus x, rows and column deleted, y minus 2z plus 1, rows and column deleted, yz minus yz. So you can see this part and this part both are same, but they have different sign, so both part will be cancelled. Yz minus yz 0, 0 into 1 0, determinant is 0. So student, this you have to remember कि when two rows or two columns are identical, then its determinant is 0. Now students, next property, property 4. If each element of a row or column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, okay, then the value of the new determinant is k times the value of the original determinant. Okay students, let us take one example students. First example, this example students, A equal to this matrix of order 3 by 3, its determinant equals to minus 7. Now students, if its determinant, I am going to multiply first row, because in the determinant case, if we multiply by any row by any constant, then only row is multiplied, not the whole. Correct? So I am going to multiply first row here, sorry, second row by 2. So it will become 2, 4, 2. You can see student, 2, 4, 2. Multiply it by 2. Correct students? So let us find out its determinant student. Okay. So 2a equals to 3, rows column deleted, minus 4, minus 2, minus 2, rows column deleted, minus 2, minus 0, plus 4, rows column deleted, 2, minus 0. So 3 into minus 6 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into 2. Minus 18 minus 4 plus 8. Minus 22 plus 8 minus 14 students. Okay. So its determinant is coming minus 14 when I multiplied R2 by 2. R2 tends to 2 R2. Then its determinant is coming minus 14. Earlier its determinant minus 7. 7 to the 14, so we can say determinant of 2a equals to twice of determinant of a, because determinant of a minus 7 and determinants of 2a minus 14, so we can say determinant of 2a equals twice of determinant of a. Okay, so here I have multiplied R2 by 2. Similarly, if we multiply any column by any scalar, then the value of determinant becomes the constant into determinant of a. Here in the rule I have written k, so the determinant will become k times the original determinant. Okay students, next property. Property number 5. If each element of a row or columns of a determinant is 0, then its value means determinant is 0. If all elements of a row or columns are 0, you can see in this example student, the elements of C3 column 3rd 0, all are 0. That's why its determinant is 0. Let us calculate. Determinant of A, I am expanding it along first row, 2. rows and column related. 0 minus 0 plus 1. Rows and column related, student, it will be minus 1. Minus 1. 0 minus 0, then plus 0. Column rows related. Minus 4. Minus 12. So 0, 2 into 0, 1 into 0, 0 into minus 16 means 0. So determinant of A is 0. So remember this rule, if all elements are 0, then the determinant 0. If all elements of a row or columns are 0, then the determinant 0. So student, we have discussed 5 properties. Rest property I will discuss tomorrow. Okay then, have a nice day.